Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market, and checking out the links for either E-Trade or M1, where you can save and trade fractional stocks, or Webull, which is usually giving away a couple free stocks for just depositing $100. So I strongly invite you to invest in your future and check them out. Thanks, and let's get to the video. 2017 Subaru Crosstrek, rear brake pad replacement, rear brake rotor replacement. Jack it up, use safety stands, protect yourself. Got a nice pinch weld down here to work on. You could jack it up on the pumpkin if you wanted to do both sides. Again, use safety stands. Protect yourself and take the wheel off. Break the lug nuts loose as much as you can, a turn or two, and then jack the vehicle up and take them off the rest of the way. We'll take it off, get to the brake caliper, and we'll collapse the piston to make sure it's good. Try and get in here with my little screwdriver between maybe the outer brake pad or the rotor, and just pry on it like this. And keep an eye on the master cylinder fluid level if it's full. We don't want fluid spilling out, but this is kind of low. Then we can collapse our piston. We know our piston will collapse, and we know our slides are good and free. Do the same for the other side, and then you can just go ahead and replace the pads and or the rotors, and you should be in good shape. I probably got a 14 millimeter bolt on the top and the bottom. And sometimes just do the bottom one and flip it up and pull it off. Then probably two 14 millimeter bolts for the caliper mounting bracket, and then the brake rotor itself. Has two screw holes, 8 millimeter by 1.25. You can buy a couple bolts at the hardware store. This will force the rotor off. If it doesn't come off, you can certainly tap it with a hammer, maybe a block of wood if you want to try and have it machined. Got kind of a drum inside for the emergency brakes. They look good. There we go. That is removing your rear brake pads and rotor